Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. In this video, I'm going to give you a wonderful, perfect study plan for academic or general training IELTS reading. Mainly academic, because academic candidates are in trouble due to IELTS reading. Now, it's going to be a complete plan and I'm going to tell you how to start. It's more like a timetable, more like a to-do list, how to excel in IELTS reading. If you are suffering and struggling with IELTS reading, how to come out of that suffering and struggling thing and how to reach a good level, how to achieve good bench score. Well guys, let me tell you, as far as IELTS reading is concerned, there are three parts. These three parts are actually three levels of reading. Part 1, academic IELTS reading or general reading, but anyways, it's going to be generic for both. Part 1 is going to be, I would not say basic level. Part 1 is actually intermediate level. Academic reading, part 1 is intermediate level. Part 2 is actually upper intermediate level and part 3 is advanced level. Now we've got three levels. If your English is intermediate, or if the level of your English is intermediate, you will find part 1 easy, you will be comfortable with part 1. But if you find part 1 difficult, it means the level of your English is not intermediate, it is below intermediate or it is basic level. In that case, you will have to improve your reading comprehension. For that, I usually recommend the students to translate at least 10 to 15 passages from Cambridge IELTS books from English into your native language so that you develop your reading comprehension. So if part 1, you start facing difficulty in part 1, then you need to do this, zero activity before you reach intermediate level. Now, what you're going to do for this plan, and this plan is going to work out for you, you'll have to be tolerant and patient and all that. You need to start your IELTS reading from Cambridge IELTS books 1 to 17. If you're planning to appear in paper delivered IELTS, you should have the copy, the set of books 1 to 17. If you're planning to appear in computer delivered IELTS, then you can have the soft copy of these books in your laptop and you can practice there. And for this, it is also important that you have the answer sheets with you. You can use them later on. Part 1, reading. Mainly in reading, there are two types of questions, type A and type B. Type A questions are those where questions and answers in the passage are in order. Question number 1, answer number 1 in the passage. Question number 2, answer number 2 in the passage in the same paragraph, sometimes next paragraph. So questions and answers, they are in order. Type A questions. Most of the questions, they are type A. Type B questions are only two. List of headings and multiple choice. Over here, answers are in random order. Otherwise, answers and questions, they are in order. Now, what you have to do, you need to start with academic reading part 1 only, and there are 13 questions in part 1, and you are going to make sure in 15 minutes you do 13 questions. Start the test with the timer on your mobile, right, and do the test. If paper delivered, then paper should be in front of you. If computer delivered, laptop in front of you. So you should solve the test within 15 minutes. And then after that, check your answers. And by the way, even before that, you can watch some of my videos to get the tips and tricks about academic reading or GT reading and all that. Now, initially when you start, you'll be surprised to see 8 correct answers out of 13, 7 correct answers, sometimes 4 correct answers out of 13, like that. But don't worry, you just have to do one thing, work out your mistakes. Now, what do I mean by working out your mistakes? For example, out of 13, you have 8 correct answers, 5 wrong answers. Work out these 5 wrong answers. Now, write down the answers and then see where is the answer. If the answer of question number 9 is true, you have written false. Where is that sentence in the passage that decides the answer is false? and why is that answer false? Why have I written this answer as true? So you need to do this debriefing with each incorrect answer. For you, if you want this plan to work for you, you need to follow my instructions as I'm giving you right now. Otherwise, this plan will fail. And I tell you, you don't have more time. Time is running out. Ever since you started preparing for IELTS, time is running out. It's like the sand glass and time is running out. And this opportunity is just once in a lifetime opportunity. If this opportunity is lost, it is going to be lost forever, I'm telling you. After some time, you will be overage, right, for studies. After some time, you'll have study gaps. And then there'll be more complications. So please, this is the lifetime opportunity for you. Now, 7 days, part 1 only. And in 1 day, you have to do at least 5 part 1s. Book 1, test 1, part 1. Book 1, test 2, part 1. Book 1, test 3, part 1. Book 1, test 4, part 1. That's it. Move on to the next book. Understand? Like this. For 7 days, 35 part 1s. 35 part 1s, you're going to do like this. Once you go through part 1, you can do one more thing. Underline difficult words. Check the meanings in your mobile dictionaries, write them down, focus, do debriefing. But first you need to solve it all in 15 minutes. After that, for debriefing, you can spend an hour even, no problem. And by the way, academic IELTS students, their only job is IELTS, nothing else. For the time being, no entertainment, zero entertainment, only IELTS. IELTS is your entertainment. IELTS is your everything, okay, for the time being. Now, once you're done with part 1, 7 days plan, when you start, you'll take 3, 4, 5 correct answers. When you finish, you will see the correct answer, number of correct answers will increase from 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13. So that means now you are ready for part 2. Part 2, 20 minutes for each passage, because it's going to be now, first it was intermediate, now it is upper intermediate. So 20 minutes for each passage, and the same way you're going to do part 2. From each book, like the books from where you have done part 1, now you'll go back to first book and start with part 2. 7 days with part 2, and then the next 7 days with part 3, and don't forget to do the debriefing with your mistakes, locating the answers in the passage, finding the explanation of the answer in the passage. Location and explanation for IELTS reading, these 2 things are extremely important. I became popular in IELTS. Why? Because I give the location and explanation of reading. I give the location and explanation of listening. So just because of location and explanation, you guys like my videos and you think I teach well. So this is what I want you to do with your wrong answers. Find the location and explanation for your wrong answer, and find the location and explanation of the right answer. What is the right answer and all that. The next 3 weeks, you're going to go on with part 3. And once you have completed this 21 days plan, on 22nd day, you're going to take full length IELTS reading mock test, AC or GT, it depends on you. Once you take complete test, 1 hour time along with the answer sheet. 1 hour includes transfer time to the answer sheet as well. And then after that, you can see the result. Day 1, before you start this complete preparation plan, I recommend you to actually take 1 reading test and keep it safe. Number of correct answers. And after 21 days, take another reading test, right? And then see, match the results. Yes, 21 days ago, when I took the reading test, I had only 13 correct answers. And now after 21 days, I've got 28 correct answers, 30 correct answers and all that. With 23 correct answers, you get 6 band. So this thing is really going to work out for you if you follow this plan as per my instructions, my guidelines, with full focus and attention. IELTS reading will not be a problem for you. All the best, guys. Thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. If you are still watching this video, I want you to comment below. This thing shows your seriousness. This thing shows your commitment. This thing shows your passion, that you are actually taking full interest. So those who are watching this video until this point, they are highly likely to achieve their desired band and reach their destination very soon. I pray for you. Inshallah, by the grace of God, you're going to reach your destination by getting your desired band. All the best. I teach Ielts online and on campus. If you wish to be the part of my classes, most welcome. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.